Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday life, from making medical diagnoses to screening job applications. But what happens when AI gets it wrong? In this video, we're exploring how AI can fail, what causes these failures, and why it matters. AI has developed at a pace that's left regulators scrambling to catch up. Already, we've seen serious real-world consequences. AI systems that discriminate in recruitment, mislabel students in admissions, or amplify false information on social media. In response to these growing risks, 29 countries came together in 2023 to sign the Bletchley Declaration, committing to collaborate on the safe development of powerful AI systems, often referred to as frontier AI. So, what exactly goes wrong when AI fails? There are 5 major risk areas. First is privacy. Many AI systems collect or infer personal data without consent. They might track your location, profile your behavior, or even predict emotional states based on things like typing patterns, all of which raise significant human rights concerns. Second, there's the issue of intellectual property. Generative AI can create music, text, and images that closely mimic copyrighted work. But when it does this without permission or attribution, who's liable? The developer, the user, or the AI company? A third and critical issue is explainability. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning even the people who created them can't fully explain how they reached a decision. That's a serious problem in industries like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, where decisions must be transparent and accountable. The fourth area is mis- and disinformation. AI can spread false information unintentionally, but it can also be used to deliberately deceive. Deepfakes, fake news, and AI-generated phishing messages are just a few ways these tools are already being misused, especially in political and economic contexts. And finally, there's algorithmic bias. Perhaps the most dangerous failure of all, bias occurs when AI systems reflect and reinforce unfair patterns in their training data. A well-known example was Amazon's hiring algorithm, which systematically downgraded women's resumes because it had learned from a history of male-dominated hiring practices. Bias like this isn't just a technical problem, it's a societal one, and if left unchecked, it can deepen existing inequalities. As AI systems become more embedded in our lives, the real question is no longer what they can do, but whether we've asked enough about what they should do, and who gets to decide.